Best microphone are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best microphone from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. About this item: professional sound chipset, 192 kHz 24-bit. This condenser microphone has been designed with professional sound chipset, which let the USB microphone hold high-resolution sampling rate. Sampling rate: 192 kHz 24-bit smooth, flat frequency response of 30 Hz, 16 kHz extended frequency response is excellent for singing, speech and voiceover, performed perfectly and reproduces sound. High-quality mic, ensure your exquisite sound reproduces on the internet. Plug and play: the microphone has USB 2.0 data port, which is easy to connect with your computer and Linux operation system, and no need extra driver software, and no need for an external sound card. Double shielding USB cable reduces interference. That makes it easy to sound good on a podcast, live stream, video call, or most any other kind of recording. 16mm electric condenser transducer and magnet ring. With the 16mm electric condenser transducer, the USB microphone can give you a strong bass response. This professional condenser microphone picks up crystal clear audio. The magnet ring on the USB microphone cable have a strong anti-interference function, which makes you have a better feel. Sturdy boom arm set with a pop filter and a phone windscreen. The condenser mic records your voice, and the sound is crystal clear. The shock mount holds the microphone steady with damping function, particularly good for video voiceovers, podcasts, YouTube video, Skype conferences and so on. Compatible with most OS for all laptop, PC and mobile phones. But if you want connect with phone, you need an OTG adapter, not included. Strong output, no distortion, low power consumption. Packing list: condenser mic plus adjustable scissor arm stand plus metal shock mount plus pop filter plus phone mic windscreen plus table mounting clamp plus USB-B to USB-A cable. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.